Hello students, in this video I will show you how to calculate the Motional EMF induces when a metallic rod is moved in uniform magnetic field. So this comes under the application of the Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. So that is known as a Motional EMF. Important derivation carries 3 marks for the examination. It is most important question. Okay, so let us consider this is a metallic rod. When this metallic rod is moved in the uniform magnetic field, an EMF is induced in this rod. So how much the EMF is induced, on what factor it depends. So that is the derivation of the motional EMF. Let us start the motional EMF derivation. Okay, so for this derivation we are having a very simple diagram. So this diagram consists of PQRS is a rectangular frame. In this rectangular frame a metallic rod is there. So this metallic rod of length L. So this L length is moving in the magnetic field. So this cross line indicates the magnetic field is into the plane of the board. So magnetic field is into the plane of the board, and the rod of length L which is moving freely in the magnetic field, so towards the left direction, say velocity is in the negative direction of the x we are taken here. So x is the length moved by this rod. So that's why just as simple description of this diagram is, so let us consider PQ is the length of a metallic rod, and B is the magnetic field, V is the velocity of rod, and X is the distance moved by the rod. Okay, to calculate the induced EMF, we must be calculate first what is the magnetic flux. So the flux linked with the coil is the magnetic flux. First we have to write the magnetic flux linked with the coil. So linked with the coil. So flux, the formula of flux we know that. So this is the magnetic field into area and cos theta. So here theta is 0 degree at every point of this rod. Therefore we write it is a magnetic field into area. So the area of this rectangular loop is length into breadth. So length is L and breadth is X. Therefore, so the area of the loop, area A is equal to Lx. Therefore magnetic flux is, this is B into L into X. You call it is equation number 1. So now you can use a very simple, the Faraday's law of, Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Okay, by this Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, the induced EMF is equal to minus d phi by dt, where the negative sign is according to the Lenz's law. So induced EMF E equal to minus of, so derivative of, say it is E equal to minus of derivative of magnetic flux. What is the flux? It is B L X. Okay, in this case magnetic field is also constant, L is also constant, only X is changing. So due to that one, so we have to differentiate only L. So taking the constant outside, it is minus BL. So B into L is outside, and the derivative of X with respect to time. So this is the rate of change of displacement. So this rate of change of displacement is called as in velocity in the negative direction. That's why we write it is a velocity of the rod. Say it is minus V. It is already written as velocity of rod. So therefore it is minus and this minus BL and minus V. Therefore induced EMF is BLV. Okay, by this formula we can calculate the maximum induced EMF in the rod. So this is a very simple derivation. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ derivation diagram ನಲ್ಲಿ simple diagram ಹಾಕಿ then description ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು, then Faraday's law ಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, then ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, just a very simple description. So you need to be practice more, and thank you.